To unlock Pixel AA without the passcode, we're going to start by long pressing power and volume up, and we're going to keep these two held down for around 10 seconds. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume up. Now press and hold power and volume down until we see the fast boot screen. If you don't see fast boot, this next step, then just rewind the video and press the buttons for the same duration I do. So now we should see the fast boot screen, release from the buttons. Then click volume down and keep on clicking until you see recovery mode. Then click power to enter the recovery mode. It will say no commands here. So the command is while holding the power button, click release volume up. Now click volume down and keep on clicking until you see wipe data. Then click power button to select. And please note, this will wipe all of your files from your phone, but this is the only way. So then we'll click volume down and click factory reset. It will then bring you to this previous screen, click reboot system. Now, you may be watching this, if you are a thief, after the factory reset, it will ask for the Google account and not the passcode. So please keep in mind, if you stole this phone, return it to the original owner. If this is your phone, you will know the Google account and then you can use it.